Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of US Really Speak. I'm Denise Parker.
And I'm James.
And in this podcast, we show you how Americans really speak in everyday life.
Not the textbook version, the real one.
Exactly. So today, we're taking you to the gym.
You'll hear a real conversation between two people working out.
And after that, we're going to break it down step by step.
We'll explain the expressions, the tone, and what people actually mean.
So stay with us.
And let's get into it.
Yeah, you look like it. Long day?
For real. I had back-to-back meetings. And now, this workout? Brutal.
Whoa, seriously, that's rough.
Yeah, my legs feel like jelly already.
Welcome to the Pain Club.
Hey, at least we're not quitting today, right?
Right, though I might slow down a bit. My arms are done.
Yeah, same. But check this out. I've been trying that new HIIT routine.
Oh yeah? How's it going?
Brutal. I thought I'd die the first day. But now, I kinda like it. Kinda.
I can imagine. I tried it last week. Never again. My back hated me.
Hey, don't be a wimp. You need to push a little. That's how we get stronger.
Yeah, I get it. But seriously, I'm wiped too.
All right, let's finish this set and grab a smoothie.
Best idea all day.
Come on, last reps. You got this.
Ugh, almost there. Yeah, done.
See, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, I'll survive. Barely.
Next time, we try cardio. Or not.
Yeah, maybe not.
All right, James, let's talk about that conversation.
Man, that workout was rough just listening to it.
I know, right? Okay, let's start with this one. He said, "This workout, brutal."
I like this one.
Why is it structured like that?
It's a very natural way to emphasize something.
So instead of saying, "This workout is brutal," you just say, "This workout, brutal."
Short, simple, and more expressive.
Okay, this one is fun. My legs feel like jelly.
Yeah, I've felt that before.
So, what does it mean?
It means your legs feel very weak.
Like you can't really stand properly.
Exactly. Not strong, just soft and shaky.
Not actual jelly, of course. Next one. My arms are done.
Super common.
So, what does done mean here?
It means your arms are finished. No energy left.
You can't lift anything anymore.
Yeah, they're completely tired.
All right, this one is important. I'm wiped.
Very, very common.
What does it mean?
It means you are extremely tired.
More than just tired.
Yeah, like your body is done.
So after a workout, you can say, I'm wiped.
I'm wiped. Man, just talking about this makes me tired.
All right, last one. Let's grab a smoothie.
Simple, but very natural.
Yeah, Americans love saying grab instead of go get.
It just sounds more casual, more relaxed.
So instead of saying, let's go get a smoothie,
You say, let's grab a smoothie.
much more natural.
Man, now I actually want a smoothie.
Same here. All right, guys, now you know how Americans really speak at the gym.
And trust me, you're going to hear these expressions everywhere.
All right, guys, before you go, take a moment to go back and listen to the conversation one more time. And this time, don't just listen. Repeat after them. Focus on the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the way the words connect. That's exactly how you start sounding more natural in English. Take your time, practice a little every day, and step by step, you'll get better and better. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's learning English just like you. And James, Thanks for breaking that down with me today.
Always a pleasure.
We'll see you in the next episode.